muted. Hello, everybody. I just started the stream to let my internet kind of ease out. It doesn't like always starting up immediately, so I'm giving it an hour to rest. Hop on, enjoy your time, and I will see y'all soon. I need to mute myself. That is important. Also, pre-stream chat. As a note for everybody watching, I do have an affiliate link now with Buy Me Coffee, so you should check that out at some point. I know I'm just throwing random bits of audio in here to keep y'all interested while we finish getting ready for the stream. And hopefully, the internet doesn't die on us. Hey everybody, welcome to the live stream feed. We are starting in about 45 minutes, so you don't have to be on immediately, but if you guys want to chat, leave any questions you have. I'm going to be answering those at the beginning of the stream, and we'll be talking, especially about, you'd never guess it, the whole Mojang ban thing, the 1.19.1 ban bit that Microsoft is enforcing on Mojang. And some future video content related to that. Y'all should come over to the Discord. If anybody's here, you should hop over to the Discord. I'm telling you, everywhere I look, there are memes. It's a problem. Hey, are y'all getting excited? We got about 30 more minutes till the stream goes fully live. I am here looking at the chat. If you guys got any questions, concerns, or comments, go ahead and drop them down, especially if it's concerning my latest video on the Mojang ban. If you don't know about it, go ahead and check that out. Also, we are doing some pre-stream chat in my Discord. Link is in the description and in the chat. Hey, everybody, welcome to the stream. We are just a couple minutes out. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. This is going to be a programming live, but it's mostly for chat with y'all directly. So go ahead and put any questions y'all have or something that you guys would like me to talk about in the chat. I will be talking, of course, about the Mojang ban as one topic, but I would like to explore things you're interested in as well. So some quick breaking news. There may be a possibility that our discussion topic for tonight may have been solved. I am checking in on that right now. Supposedly, things have changed. I am checking on this from a post on Twitter from the Iris community, but we'll see. Hey, about 11 more minutes till we go live. As a note, I just stated that there's a possibility that our issue is resolved. Sadly, Mojang may still be implementing the undesirable update. So keep your ears out, keep your ears to the ground. There will be more information in the near future. Okay, so for the sake that the stream may die, I am gonna go ahead and start early because risks. So We are ending the free stream chat for now, and I welcome y'all to join Crazy Smile and Orphan Obliterator there. They'll be chatting about the stream throughout. You're also welcome to chat in the chat directly. That's how I will hear y'all. I'm going to turn this music way down. And why isn't it? There we go. Okay, things are getting fixed. Yeah, they have had a huge meme discussion on Discord as well. So if you guys like memes, welcome to the group. So what we're working on is this Python project that I've got. So I need to learn how to use Tinketer. So this is gonna be fun. I was supposed to teach myself before the stream. Mistakes were made. So yeah, welcome to the chat. If you didn't know, I'm Negative Light. I'm an idiot, and yeah, there we go. That's a summary of basically the entire channel. Is I'm an idiot. So we had a little bit of a false alarm. It looks like Mojang might be doing something suspicious regarding the So regarding the whole Minecraft ban, there is a chance that Mojang may have, may be removing it? Question mark? Possibly? I'm not sure at the moment. So what's y'all's thoughts on that? I know I personally do not view the whole Mojang thing as a good idea. I believe that they need to stop. But who knows? Why was the audio... $240p when it says 1080. That's concerning. That's not right. Should be rescaling it to 1920 by 1080. Yeah, it's rescaling it. Oh, I know. I know why. It's probably my screen. Give me a second. I'm doing some adjustments. Advanced 1080 by 60. What? Super low image quality. Oh, it's just really zoomed out. So that's a problem with both the size that I prefer my text. I guess we'll have to bump that up some. As well as the fact that I'm using an ultra-wide monitor and then it's getting shrunk down to 1980 by 1020. So it's getting reduced by like a factor of 8. So I'm gonna see, is that visible? Maybe one more time. Oh yeah, that'll work. We also have like Python bits. We'll probably wind up doing a little bit of GitLens and getting my repo set up, but I'm not worried about that. I'm mostly worried about this right now. So we're gonna be using this giant font. Odd. Why is it transmitting so poorly? Why have I not noticed this before? Herm. Yeah, I got Tinketer up here. So you're saying that my webcam's pretty bad. I think it might be the webcam itself and not... I'm sorry, I'm looking at the stream. See, everything seems okay quality on my phone. Oh, yeah. That's right. Let me grab my... Let me do something. Give me a minute. Boom. 2K views, people. 2026. So I want to thank everybody who is watching. And if you haven't seen this video yet, go ahead and watch it. If you have seen it and you would like it, share it with others. This is my first video that's been remotely successful, to be honest. So I am pumped. I think some of the issues you're seeing is that I'm having to do a couple rescales, which tells me that I need to put a little more effort into fixing that. Because what's the type of monitor I have? It's like an Asus ROG something. Asus Tough Gaming. It's a 3440 by 1440 monitor. So all of the image that I record is that size. And what I'm finding is that maybe I need to come up with another solution that's a bit better. Because now I gotta figure that out. How do you hear Minecraft music? Yeah, but it's 8K over like 2 years. This is at 2K and it's not even been a year. Or it's been like 3 days. So now, mind you, this is probably not quite as evergreen as that content. So like, this will probably fade into nothingness within like a year. Uh, 165 hertz, but I don't use anything that goes that fast. I typically set mine to 60. So, yeah. So basically the goal is to take projects like this and then like add things. I do want to, I think the due date concept might require a task class, and then basically like each task would be able to have a due date. That way you can get like the latest due date. So, because I don't need it any higher, I may go up to 144, but 160 is not useful. 120 is okay. I just don't need it. No, it's an ultra-wide monitor. Look, I chose what I chose. I set things to 60, especially with recording, so that things are consistent. Because, yeah. What was I doing? I'm following a tutorial. Get this fixed. Size equals 500. I like my windows to be square. So now root equals root dot main loop. Okay, let's run this bad boy. So this is a 500 pixel by 500 pixel window. Well, I do have it so that if I wanted to bump it up, I can. But like, if I'm recording, and I think for Minecraft, I do have it set to unlimited frames. So in Minecraft, it's useful, but pretty much Minecraft's the only video game I play. So yeah, I would say it was excessive. But it does have its uses. The big thing I'm realizing is that using an ultra wide for recording for streaming is difficult. Oh, trust me, not having semicolons in Python took me forever to get used to. It is painful. So we're gonna go to the Tinkerer lobby. Oh gosh, is it just shapes? Oh god, no. Okay, geometry. Okay, maybe not this. In the window settings? In window settings? No. Like, give me a second. Display. Oh gosh. Nope. 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 Display. Display. There we go. So, like, these are my display settings. Somehow we've gotten to display settings. So, like, this is the one that I have. This is what I used to record on. Which, yes, I do want it to be about level. I didn't even know I had that available for that. HDR. Gonna turn that. Oh. Okay. Did that crash the stream? No? We're good. So, like, if I'm doing something with some of my friends, I may have to adjust the monitor settings so that it's 1920 by 1080, which I don't like. Advanced display. Display adapter prop. Yeah. Refresh rate is 165. So, Tinkerer does not seem to have a consistent documentation. I thought that... You know what? We'll just do command line for now. And then I'll worry about the display afterwards. You're about 30 seconds behind me, so I'll let you catch up, Orphan. Yeah, like I have everything set up well and nice, and like this one can only go up to 60 because it's a cheap display. But yeah. Auto. Nice. Cool beans. Okay. I don't want to show my Bluetooth. Okay. I think what we're going to do is rather than worrying about the display side, we're going to worry about command line. Get a command line set up so that we can add projects, remove projects, and then like have it randomly pick them first. Yeah, I know. Well, I mean, I have actual documentation of at least my plan. So, okay. So, I think what we need is we need a task class really fast. And that won't be horribly difficult. Class, task, :def, self dot name equals, we're gonna need a name and then a due date, which will default to -1. We'll do name self dot due date, Because of Mojang, I feel like asking an off question. If you could ban one person permanently from multiplayer Minecraft, who would it be? Who is one person that I would ban from multiplayer Minecraft? Ooh, who is someone that I genuinely believe should no longer be using multiplayer? Probably people like Stevie. Yeah, like, see, I wouldn't say dream necessarily, because, I don't know, I'm not a person who wants to inherently destroy someone's livelihood unless they've actually been that bad. Which, mind you, Stevie probably has, and Dream probably has, but, let's do property, def. Overdue. If, let's do return datetime dot now greater than date, then self dot due date. Or wait. Actually, we have to add some additional parameters. Okay, so we need to do if, well, what we can do is we can do, because I believe Python is one of those languages, so let's do self.do_date equal -1, or it equals this. Just scoot that to the side. Whew. Yeah, so Stevie was known to, like, steal content, which, to me, stealing without that is, yeah. Yeah, so that's one of the things reasons, so ironically, Osiris is the reason why I'm actually making this project, because I'm like, I'll be sitting on my phone, I'm like, I should be doing something, you know, scrolling through shorts, or something, or watching a video. I'm like, I should really, like, sit down and do something. What should I do? And then I can never decide. So, yeah. So, what do we think? This would allow me to calculate things like scores, and then what we can do, that will be, we're gonna do self.tasks equals a blank array, and then we're actually going to create a property here at property def due date self colon. Okay, I do not believe that you should always use the namespace std when you're using C++. You use it so commonly that there's no reason not to. Okay, Ariza. Okay, you're right. That's valid. You're right. Okay, so we're gonna do for task in self.tasks. Hold on. We're gonna do latest date equals self.tasks sub zero dot due date. Well, actually, need to add a couple logic statements. So, if if the length, yeah, how much wood would a woodchuck chicken? A woodchuck much wood if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Self.tasks greater than 0. 0 is less than or equal to 0. Return -1. But I don't want to have an extra line of code saying using namespace std. That's valid. Okay, how many of y'all have actually watched like any videos on Timberborn? I've thought about getting it. I just haven't used it. I haven't yet. Mostly because I'm like, I got a bunch of other things I want to do. But if I programmed this game, which is over 1,000 instructions, C++, it would be like 100 line stops. So, and that's the reason why I would like to set up the compiler. Yeah, like the more and more you add abstraction layers, right? And you allow us to build things in higher level languages, you shorten the amount of code and you basically can go from 1 line of code to 100 line of assembly. If you did it right. So we want to return the due date. If we don't have any tasks, then the due date doesn't exist. We don't have a due date. Else, we want to get the latest due date. So latest due date equals self.tasks sub 0 dot due date. Yeah. So Timberborn is basically like City Skylines meets, or it's like a Civilization, but for beavers. Or Sims, but for beavers. And so you like manage like a beaver city and all of their resources. So I would suggest if you're interested in content like that, the favorite one I like to watch is Real Civil Engineer. He did a pretty okay series on that. Shame. So for tasks in self.tasks, or for task and self.tasks, if task.due date less than latest due date, colon, latest due date equals task.due date. Clip. I'm surprised the clipping feature doesn't work on the stream. It's kind of weird. I thought I had it set up to where that automatically worked, but oh well. Yeah. But we do have a definite thing to do. Ah, so you do watch the Real Civil Engineer. Look, coffee is the most important part of the day. So, yeah. But for those of you watching, I'm curious what your thoughts are on the concept of if, basically, when it comes to the ban, is it right for servers to install mods that prevents Mojang from even doing any of the tracking elements that are currently there, simply because, oh, it does work. That sucks. So do y'all just never send me any clips and y'all make them? Now I'm really worried that there's like 100 clips from my things out there that I've never seen. Let's see here. Oh, also, I've been approached by a YouTube marketer. So basically, like, there's someone that wants... Oh. That makes sense. Okay. Good to know. I'm safe at the moment. I don't like tea. Tea no good. It tastes like garbage. And then return latest due date. Control S. And this works like a property, so I can actually put like the due date for that. I know. I actually am thinking about sitting down and like taking a day and just sit down and go through videos and just edit. Or go through old streams. Probably starting from the latest community stream, because I tried doing clips while I was live and I just don't have enough to keep that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have to go watch through a stream. It's only about 2 hours of content, and usually I can fast forward it through a good bit. So yeah, coffee is really good. I use Dunkin'. There's another brand I've been considering getting. It's like a YouTuber's brand. I like the guy, so. So we have the due date property. We have the tasks. So let's start. Let's make a simple GUI. So let's just do def menu main colon. So now we're gonna do print. And then we're gonna just do quote asterisk times 50. Print, please select an option. I was approached by someone who wanted me to hire him for his videos SEO because he was a self-styled professional. He had 3 followers. No, on Twitter today, there's this guy who sent me he replied to me, and he replied to a bunch of people of like, oh, hey, I can help you get to 1,000 followers. I'm like, buddy, I don't make money off this yet. I can't afford to pay you. Like, come on, man. You go, like, pay for some things and then we'll be good, but nah, I ain't doing that. Yeah. I think he deleted the reply. That's funny. Yes, so I want to plan those out a little bit, which is one of the reasons why. I also wanted to get this done, which is another reason why. Hello, Alex. How are you doing today? I hope your day is going well. So yeah, I want to get this done, which is the main reason why. So now we're gonna do like menu main. Just run this really fast and see how it works. Okay. So now we're gonna do print quote one. Print all projects. Print quote 2. Print add a project. Print 3. Add edit a project. Okay. I know that this seems weird, but like, this is how I'm used to it. So, are we getting like the siblings fighting thing now? Are we approaching this point? Oh, what do you guys think of the watermark that I added? Return input. So, selection equals print selection. Okay, and boom. 1. Boom. Okay. What are you doing? So I am currently coding a project picking project. Hello, Helix, welcome to the chat. I hope that you are having a good day, my good sir. Yes, if you are here, hop on, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hop on my Discord as well. Helix actually just tossed that command in chat. It does take it like 3 minutes now, because Stream Elements is just annoying. No, it's up. I actually, it worked. like, at the beginning of the stream. But for some reason, it won't work consistently, and it's kind of annoying. It's why I don't have any stream alerts except for my coffee brand, my Buy Me Coffee link. Briefly and randomly invade your stream to tell the story of the guy that contacted me. Sure. Let me hop on a private call, Star, and I'm gonna get my settings put up so that they can hear you. Give me a minute. I think that's the audio bit. Then I'll call. Star does get special permissions because he's a good friend of the channel. Quite literally every thumbnail you see probably has gone through him. Actually, no, all the recent ones have. I haven't seen that guy in a while. Also, we do have a really good meme action on the Discord. What just happened in the chat? Oh, hey! So the Discord finally decided to work. Dude, like, if someone subscribes, I don't get alerts right now, and it makes me so mad. Like, I have had people subscribe, and the alert never comes up. Cool. What was I doing? Well, first off, was I in a call with Star? Am I in a call with Star? Yes, but I cannot hear him. This is concerning. Give me a moment, my good sir. Oh boy. Properties. Okay. Let me make sure. I'm gonna just adjust some audio properties so that we can properly hear people. Okay, check. Are you there, Star? Hello? This is confusing. Come on.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, there we go.
Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you. Can the chat hear you? It's about 20 seconds of delay, so...
Hi, people!
Yes, so Star has a story about some rando was approaching you to like increase SEO. For those of you who don't know, SEO is basically a
Search
quality
engine
score on videos
optimization.
from the brand vidIQ.
Search engine optimization.
Search engine optimization, that's right.
That's what SEO stands for. So basically, like, tags, title, description, keywords, all that fun stuff. You there?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, wanted to make sure. So right at the moment, I'm trying to pull up the script for this because there was at one point I was actually going to turn this into a video, but then something went wrong and it got canceled. So hold on while I find it.
Hello. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then chat has confirmed they can hear you. Yeah. Also, I don't know if I did shout out Nate Harmon, also Crazy Smile, for finding my Buy Me Coffee link. I know for a fact he did. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that we need to get that tutorial video ready for that project. So, I think the projects is greater than 0. Hello, that axolotl. I do not believe I've seen you in chat before, so I very much welcome you for coming. You might be wondering what I'm doing. And no, it's not sounding like an idiot with a British accent. We're currently waiting on a good friend of ours, Star. He has a story about someone who's contacting him But how did you come across the channel, my good that axolotl? No, it's not. Nate, that's not what SEO means. It's for project in projects print project. Very complicated.
Nope.
Good.
You know what? I can't actually seem to find that script. I'm wondering if I delete it. If at the very least I can pull up the email, because I do still have the email.
So yeah, actually it was and I showed that earlier in the stream. Well, not necessarily the fall of Minecraft, but the fact that Minecraft YouTube could die. I don't know if I made that point as clear. And the reason being is like, start streaming. Okay, are we back?
You're still breaking up a little bit.
Okay. I may just have to end the stream, and I'm gonna just wind up calling the ISP at this point. I can't. Like, seriously, it's 3 kilobits per second. There is no reason for it to be that bad. Are we back?
Hello?
Wait, are we back?
You're clear. I can hear you clearly now.
Dude, I just
maybe.
started a daggum speed test, and it fixed.
Huh. Ignore the file.
I'm just gonna run
just
speed
sent you.
test every time the stream breaks. Like, what the heck? Okay, is that axolotl still here? Because I wanted to actually ask him some questions. After Stars tells his stories, because he actually has the email.
Yeah, and I actually found the original script too, because I was writing it to be very comical. Just ignore the file I sent you. I just sent it so that I could access it on my new computer.
Yeah, we are back. The whole stream just decided to die on me. So, and now it's working perfectly. So yeah, so we're gonna move over to Star. I'm actually just gonna drag over a pop out of our chat window. Story time. Gotta figure out how to get this to work. Why is it not allowing me to do a pop out? Normally it has like a little pop out thing. Never mind. Okay,
Also,
never mind. We're not gonna drag that over because I don't want to show everything.
Like going through.
How well is your audio going through?
Yeah.
Now it's working perfectly. Oh gosh, that's pretty far out. Ah, hello that axolotl! I'm gonna bump your volume. Okay, give me a 1, 2, 3 star.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet.
Sound good?
So we'll go ahead and so you can go ahead and tell your story.
Okay, so before I started YouTube, I heard that there would be a lot of scammers out there who would try to take advantage of smaller channels and exploit them for profit. And I got my first scam email with the title, "Your YouTube channel problematic zone that needs to update." This is from a company called Sandcar as in Peer Computer Hub. And so, here's what happened. The scammer sent me the email, and it says, Hi there! I hope you are doing well. I saw your YouTube channel. Your videos are beautiful! Well, clearly he has not seen my beautiful videos because, you know, some of them involve things like blood. Like a unicorn stabs another pony in the head. Anyway, so, this gamer says, everyone will love your video. One thing I've noticed is that your channel needs some update. Just one thing. Your video is not being properly SEO. Your videos are not being shared on social media. Your videos are not reaching the right people. Video tags are not properly used. And eye-catching thumbnail, attractive title with description, bio SEO, yada 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 yada, a lot of stuff that is not, you know, one thing. I am a professional digital marketer and YouTube expert. I am able to spread any video to millions of people. I will answer all your questions. And I said, wonderful! I am always looking to grow my channel. One thing though, how did you find my channel? What was your favorite video of mine? How fast can we expect to grow the channel? What are the other channels that you've helped grow? And 5, pineapple on pizza. Yay or nay? He got back to me and said, hi dear, but as if, like, I'm his wife or something. Hi dear, for your kind information, I am an SEO professional with digital marketer and social media expert. I saw your channel. Very nice, but needs some update. Yes, you said this already. I have visited your YouTube channel and found it needs lots of workspaces that need to be updated. That means it needs to be updated perfectly. If you update all areas, then you can see a good result day by day. For easy understanding, please see the attached picture. And he sent me this screenshot of one of my videos where he used the vidIQ tool to show how my SEO was doing. But of course, he did it on my Remains series, which I wasn't even trying to make go viral or anything. It was just a fun Minecraft series. It wasn't meant to take off. I'm just making that with my friends. And honestly, I didn't think the video was even going to do as good as it did.
Someone has a bad opinion. They don't like pineapple on pizza.
No!
I like pineapple on pizza.
I actually did a poll a while
That's
back,
why I'm
and it was
talking.
50-50 split. It was amazing.
Right on to the mic.
Anyway,
like, this is ASMR. Sorry,
Anyway,
I'm not a girl that's trying to just show off to get views, so I'll stop that.
So, he said, I will set up your social media sites professionally. He throws the word professional around an awful lot. And I will put the right attractive keywords. Besides these, I will complete and promote your YouTube videos. I will do all the updates and promotion per video, only $10. Also, you can share your budget. If you have any questions, just inbox me. Waiting for your valuable response. Yeah, actually, I gave you 5 questions and you didn't answer any of them. Like, that was my reply. Like, I gave him 5 questions and he didn't answer a single one. I said, your offer intrigues me. However, I do have a few questions. 1, what may I call you? 2, can you show me how some examples of the channels that you have grown from your assistance? 3, is there a way that we can negotiate the price? My budget to invest in my channel is a little small. 4, pineapple on pizza. Yay or nay? Waiting for your valuable response. If you look at my pony content on my channel, you know, the stuff that I actually am trying to make grow, the SEO score is like 45 out of 50. So he's clearly not even looking at my latest videos and my biggest and most well-performing videos, because those are the ones where I'm actually, you know, trying on it. And then he didn't get back to me. And so I was like, well, what's going on here? And so I sent him another email, and there was no response. And I kept on trying to get him, but he kept on like sending me an email saying like, this email address does not exist. And I'm like, what is going on? I was having so much fun with this. and I never heard from this guy from, I gotta pull it up again, Sankar Azen Peer Computer Hub, ever again.
That's... See, the thing is like, you... First off, you know they are making some money. But, I'll get to the pineapple on pizza thing, because I do have an opinion on that. But... Because, very likely he was actually paying for vidIQ, like, premium, like, probably Boost, to give Summit real advice, but would charge, like, double for it. Why have I been at? Where have I been at?
I just sent you a link to his Facebook account, and I want you to look at...
Oh, he uses Facebook?
He uses Facebook.
Oh gosh, this is...
But he's a... Don't worry, he's a YouTube expert, but he uses Facebook. And I want you to look at his banner and tell me, is his banner... like, which is better, his banner or my banner? Like, honestly.
Yeah, I'm sorry, this guy has no clue what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm not even... I don't even consider myself, like, anywhere near professional. But... I'm definitely looking at his banner like, yeah, I could do better than
This
that.
guy is a YouTube expert.
This guy looks like he spent 10 minutes in Canva making this thing.
Like, okay. I'm going to be real. I'm not good at thumbnails. I think we can all agree on that. I'm not this bad.
Also, why is it called Sankar Azen Peer Computer Hub? If it has anything to do with computers, he's really bad at marketing because I don't see anything just computers. I see a sun rising or setting, I'm not sure, and a knot being tied in his profile picture. Like, what does that have to do with computers? Also, I have more followers.
Yeah, that guy is,
like, I have more subscribers than this guy does have followers on Facebook. So, what does that say about about who knows more about YouTube and social media?
Yeah. FYI, if you guys are worried about secure code, this is still in the testing phase. So, like, test 5 Alf. I never saved
it. Oh, he's on Fiverr. Like, I'm looking at his,
oh, wow.
Fiverr. Fiverr's always the place that you go to get professionals.
So, yeah. Now, for that axolotl, and for Tig Geek, may I ask, how did y'all come to find the channel? Is it due to my latest video? I'm just curious. Obviously, it is my best performing video so far, so yeah. But the whole, like, pizza omelet topping thing, it's very interesting. Let's go for a 2-bite product, I think. Latest video, yeah, I had a feeling. It hit 2K, so a number of followers from that. I'm actually over 250 now, as far as subscribers as well. So I want to add a project. I want to name it test. I'm gonna set it to a preference of 5, and then Alf. Oh, that's great. Has no attribute oh, that's right. I never updated that code. Self.tasks. I just do tasks. Okay.
Well, I'm going to go. I just felt like telling that story because you brought up
oh yeah, no, that's fine.
Cameras. Yeah,
wait, we're at 270? Bro, did we get a subscribe? Oh yeah! Sweet!
Alright, Well, I'm gonna go then. Goodbye. Congratulations.
See you later, Star Strike. Thank you for hopping into a chat.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
Oh, I clicked that a little bit too soon. Oopsie daisy. Oh yeah. Make a flip flop to be able to read 2 bytes separately. Yeah. So, yeah, well, I do hope that you guys are enjoying the channel. Obviously, I'm just coding a little bit tonight. But I do play on Saturdays, so I do hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, that Axolotl. Thank you for hopping in for the time that you have spent. Oh, bye to Star. That makes sense. He's probably gonna, like, hop in chat and say, how rude, he cancelled it. He ended the call early, because I'm really good at that. I am a very, very good person. So, test 5 Alf. Okay, creation date, last accessed, notes. And then there aren't any tasks, so that's good. So now what I want to do is I want to add a tool that will save it. Yeah. So I'm sorry, I am a programmer at heart. So, yeah. Sweet! And FYI that, Axel, I do have a Discord. If you type !Discord, you'll have access to that. And you can hop in through new users. Yeah. But, we want to save this. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to save it using pandas. And convert all this information into a data frame. So, I know this makes no sense to most of y'all, but actually, hold up. Convert, or let's see here, save a Python object to JSON and read back. Doing such writing. Okay. This might be... No, I want to actually, like, load in that. Bunda! May take a while for... Yeah, I know, the Discord link... Dude, Stream Element sucks. Like, if you subscribed right now, or if you liked the video, you would get a... There's normally a alert that's supposed to happen, right? Doesn't work. It is really annoying and I hate it. No, you're fine, Orphan. That probably didn't sound right. Yeah, that's true. I got a bunch of engineers in the chat. FYI, if you're not an engineer, you're still welcome to help with the ORCDev. We still need people to do things like documentation, art, all that stuff. So. Go. I should make like a coffee review channel one day. That'd be fun. Okay, so we're gonna see. Can I convert a class to a JSON string? Okay. That doesn't help. You adopted him, the orphan. The orphan! Okay, we're just gonna make our own custom function. Because I'm a loser with no life. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do df equals pandas pd dot data frame. df dot columns equals quote. We're gonna do name So we need name, preference, type, comma, go reference, comma, type, comma. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. Never mind. See, I'm actually listening to what y'all are listening right now. I like this high beat music. Mostly because that's what keeps me awake. If I listen to classical, I'll fall asleep. Your library here's okay. There's pickle. I could pickle my things. I want to customize my settings to where nothing is saved. Oldies music while gaming. Techno while using water and electro swing or obnoxious techno stuff during most things here. Look, I know my music tastes are weird. I know most people don't like my music taste. I'm a weirdo, okay? I'm too lazy to read through this whole Stack Overflow. I'll pickle that dump. Okay, that works. Okay. So we're gonna do import pickle. Okay. And we're gonna do PK because I'm lazy. So now if we also need to import OS. If OS dot country music's okay. I'm not really all that. 80s punk is okay though. Check if file exists. Python. I know I should. So that's os.path.exists. Quote. Well, we're gonna do save path equals quote dot slash save dat path dot exists save path. Actually need to take this. Well, I guess actually no, we want that to be lower. I need to probably use Jupiter. Beach Boys? No. You. Okay. Else. Colon. Well, I guess actually no, we want this to be up here. We just use that if statement. Okay, that works. I've been added. Why have I been added? Nerd chat. Nice. I will check that out in more detail. So now, we're actually going to go down to the loading part. Okay, with open save path, comma, RB as save data. Projects equals pickle dot or pk dot load Save data. And there we go. Oh yeah, that's right. We have Capagen, so you guys can have bouncing emojis. Hold up. Yeah, no, a good one is Song Ignition. It's on my Spotify somewhere. I'll have to go find it. Maybe share that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so now this will load it. Then this up here, then this down here will save it. So now, okay, so I don't even need pandas, I don't think. So now what we're gonna do is, with open save path, comma, WB as save data, colon, pickle dot dump, projects, comma, save data. Spam the emojis. Let's see if they all come up. Do they come up? Hold up. Do they not come up? Bro, I hate stream elements. There's just a part of me that hates stream elements. So much. Okay. I think we have this ready. We're gonna run it. 2. Test. 5. Alpha. That's right. Okay. To delete that, run it, 2 in, 2 enter, test, 5, alpha. Okay, you run it again, 2 enter, test, 2, butter. Okay, and we should have... Yes, we have 2! The emojis came up on our end. So I think it happens just so asynchronously that it's kind of be annoying. Which is always fun. So, yeah. So we have saving and loading. Now we have to add an editing function, and then we should be good. Which then means now I actually have to figure out the GUI part. Yeah, I know. I keep on typing pickle instead of PK. Because I'm stupid. Also gonna bump up. Within this, we're gonna do, let's do dash count equals 100. We're gonna do dash count. There we go. This works. So what am I coding? So one thing is, if you are using GitHub, learn Markdown. Really useful. It's a task picking project. So essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to make sure I can save and load and edit it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the picking algorithm, which will probably just pick them at random with like a weight on the preference and the latest due date. That way, whenever I'm like stuck and I'm like, what should I be working on right now? I can press a button and know what I need to do. So eventually I'll add the GUI to this, which will probably just become a project inside the project, so that I can now define the projects better within the project. Projects. If that made any sense to y'all, welcome to the club. Okay. Yeah, so honestly, projects like this are the best way to learn to code, honestly. Because it forces you to solve an actual problem in the real world. It's not like tutorials. And I saw a problem in my life. I wanted to solve the problem. There we go. It's just like problems in like Mojang with Minecraft or all that. If you see that, you make a mod. So like I saw that we didn't have a stonework type block, which is basically just the furnace top all around. This is actually suggested from Helix. But, so I made that, and then I was like, well, what can I do beyond that? And, I added my favorite block now, so far in our modded series, is the stonework path block, which crazily amplifies your speed, completely eats through your hunger. It's the best block. Except if you want to learn to code, don't use Python. No, I would suggest Python as your first language, or JavaScript. No, it's not. Not if you do it right. And C, you can get in a lot more trouble. Because I know that's what you're going to suggest, Orphan. I know you well enough to know that's what you're going to say. I suggest using Python or JavaScript, because they're pretty good human-readable languages. Then I would go deeper into like C++, Java, and even Rust. I wish. I don't know. Ironically, people have said that for 3 years now. I've had people comment that for a couple years. I don't know why. Python is really good for short scripts, but if you want something that runs fast, C or Rust is the best. I know, and some people like C, and you're welcome to that. I don't. Okay, so we have this saving and loading. So now we need to do the elif selection equals 3. Mind you, none of this, I will work on it. This is not the optimized code. Oi. I'm not having an argument over whether C is a good language or not. Interesting. I'm currently having a bitrate of 5,000. Although I'm getting weird rendering lag. Bro, I'm only using like 23% of my GPU. I'll have to figure out how to tweak those settings. I think that's a problem. Okay, so if the selection is 3, print, quote, please select a project. And for project in projects. Actually we need to do for I in range projects colon print f I dot projects dot title. Or no, project sub I dot title. There we go. Okay, I'm not gonna have an argument over programming languages. It's foolish, they're tools, and that's gatekeeping, which makes fewer people want to code, and it makes all of us seem like a little bit jerks. Y'all killed Neg? What? Oh my. What happened to my stream? Hello? Are we bot? Are we Bach? Are we Johann Sebastian Bach? Bach? Bro. Oh, dude, no, you guys haven't got me going all the way. It takes a lot to get me going that far. Oh, wow, okay, so we've got a lot of progress done on JRSC. So, we definitely need to do that next week. I will talk about that some. So we're gonna go 3. I guess we should do length of projects. So we're gonna go backspace 3. Okay. Test 1, test 2. Okay, so we just need to add a 1 here. Selection or project equals input -1. There we go. Okay, let's run this again. So 3, edit a project. Oh. Okay, let's run this. 3, 2, which obviously it's gonna go to exit, but oh well. So, it is definitely not muted. I know for a fact because I can hear it because I'm on what you guys hear. So, there's a lot that you can do that people don't know about, actually. So, yeah. With the pilot episode, I need to finish editing it. I am working on this Friday's video. And then I want to get one more Friday, and then I'm going to focus on getting a couple of those episodes prepped so that we can start rolling those out hopefully the next week. It is definitely not muted. Unless you muted it yourself. Okay, so now what we have is 1, 2, okay. So now Okay, so now, so we're gonna just print projects sub proj select. Input, is this the project you meant to select? Or no, just do press enter to continue. So yeah, ew. Sweet. I like it. I like it. We're getting better. Why was that blocked? I'm telling you, some days YouTube's decisions on what to block just seem so arbitrary. And I just don't get it. What was I doing? Oh, that's right, so... we clip the fact that... gosh. Why did I do that? I'm screwed. Okay, please pick attribute to edit. Okay, title. Preference, print, 3, bro, no, come on, man. Can't do that. We'll have to add that to this, yeah. Okay, preference, and then what are we doing? Oh, type notes. Obviously, there's going to be a lot more advanced things that go into this, so I'm not going to get all of it done tonight, but at least if I can get this part done, I have something that works. And that's the goal. Int input. Haha! Like the AI. Dude, yes, the AI is gonna make this so much more fun. I've actually done the knapsack problem a couple times. It's fun. So let's just run this. We're gonna do 3. We're gonna select project number 1. We're going to pick the title, and obviously it's not gonna edit that. But do you want a multiplier and a divider, or just the multiplier? I say we start with just the multiplier for the time being. But maybe but if you have time, design a divider module that can be added later. Or to a future revision. What am I doing? Is it switch? No, it's not. Is this mod? That's also valid. Switch statements Python. Why can't I remember how to do a switch case in Python. Match cell colon case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case underscore. We're gonna do print, or actually no. We're gonna do. I added a divider. I have to have business do some funky things, like cross and other weird things. Ugh. Very right now decision. Okay. You know what? We've made a lot of progress very quickly. Let's add a divider so we have the power. So now project select dot title equals input quote enter new title. Going or no semicolon project select dot access. And then we just need to take these 2 lines of code and iterate that. Print error invalid input. Yes, I know this is spaghetti code. It's actually not that bad, though. I have the latest version of Python, thank you. Now, reference. We're gonna do an int. We're gonna wrap that. And then reference. We're gonna do type. Notes. What? No. I thought that. Oh my gosh. Do I not have Python? How do I check my Python? Yeah, I have like 3 point. Okay. Upgrade Python command line. I'm having to remind myself how to do these things. It has been a moment. Linux, apt-get, Mac, Windows. Bro, I don't want to do that. Do I have to seriously use the Microsoft Store? Python dash upgrade? Nope. There we go. Python dash H. Okay. Dash C inspect in. Okay. Yeah, already have those. It's archived in a thread nerve. That module is covered by the divider module, and left and right rotates are covered. Cool. We're gonna do Python Could have sworn that this already installed this, but apparently not. Git. Wow, okay. Python. Okay, good to know. Yeah, I have the full extension pack. Python to Django and telecode. Yeah, okay, that's stupid. So I'm assuming that this is going to try to use Python 3.10. Oh gosh, that also probably means that I might have to restart that. Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm gonna restart my VS Code. Yeah, I know. I have that installed for the time being, for the sake of Alright. Okay, so now if I run this, what happens? There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do 3, 1. We're going to edit the notes. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 de blah. And the created date is not as old as the last access date. What? Okay. Yeah, we definitely need to go over some things, and I want to plan out the next live stream for that. We have this thing working. All we gotta do is make a picker. We're good. Yeah, you would need my external IP. And there is nothing that will get you banned faster than you hacking me. Just saying. Sorry, that's one area I'm not gonna joke with. What is trying so hard to... So, now that this works... What does this look like? Open anyway. Just a bunch of gobbledygook. Like, it doesn't make any sense, but it's fine. Banned. Not bammed. I mean, I might bam you too, but... Hold up. Forget that I said that. Yeah, I know. I didn't know that that showed up. To be honest, I should have just done a window view of this, and even that's kind of risky. There are people who don't even show their command line. And that's reasonable. So now that we got everything, I don't need this anymore. I don't need that. Okay, so our imports are good. Now we want to do import numpy as np, because I want to use their random numbers. Pip install numpy, because apparently this version doesn't have that. Pip. Why is pip not wanting to work? Ah, there we go. Oh, okay, it's already there. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Kill that. Kill that. Okay. So. Now that we got... Yes, we're gonna add a print for pick a project. Then we're gonna also add a wait thing. Okay. Range on odd even, is that necessary? Scavenge. Okay, so. Yeah, pick a project. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a wait. It's gonna be a property. It's gonna be def, or no, we want at def wait self on. So we're only gonna really use preference, I think, and the date last accessed. Yeah, we're only gonna take preference and the date last accessed for now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with now, or today equals date time dot date time dot date time dot now. So now let's hear last access diff equals self dot last access date, or no, it would be today, because today will always be greater than that. So that will get the numerical difference, right? To be used for a branch on equal / not equal. Yep. Well, not for the not equal, but I don't think it would for the not equal. Unless you did it right. So that will, so get difference in access time. Then we're gonna just take, and we're gonna do, last access diff plus, 5 times preference, and we're gonna return that. Because I would rather do something I prefer to do than that. Okay, my brain cell is dying. So now what we'll do is we're going to generate a random number. And then what we'll do is we'll just subtract the weight of each project till that is 0. Yep, that'll work. Elif selection equals 4. Which, yes, I should have used a switch here. I didn't, because I'm stupid. So. Sorta. Yes, Helix is quite intelligent. So what am I doing? So we're gonna do rand equals np dot row. Did I not? There is no module name. Ah. Why is it saying I don't have NumPy installed? Oh, because it's in 3.9. Bug. Arg. To see. Price proxy log. Oh. Why is it using that version of pip? Okay. This is what makes Python annoying. Pip is not right of Python. I only want the latest anyways. Oh, I haven't restarted my machine, so it's not gonna take. Arg. Okay. We'll just use random. For now, and then we'll solve that later. Okay, where were we? We were down here, right? Equals random. Oh, I need to get, so I need to get this. Okay, so max weight equals 0 for project and projects. Max weight plus equals project dot weight. Seems silly to have a so now random equals random dot rand int between 0, comma, max weight. For project. Then we're gonna have to do a def get highest. Get. So now we're gonna do this. Def get highest, or get project by an int target. It's not gonna be that. It's gonna be like target colon int, I believe. You're supposed to be doing that anyways, but I never do it because I'm lazy. But oh well. For project and projects colon if target is less than project dot weight, return project. Else targets minus equals project dot. Return project sub 1 or sub 0. Okay, so that should work. So now picked project equals pick. No, what was the function? Get project by weight. Project by weight. Random. Okay, so now prints asterisk times 100. Print project picked. Project print quote asterisk times 100. Oh, I know why. I know exactly why. Run that. Okay. And string. Well, probably because that needs to be an int. You know what, we'll just not worry about the last access. We'll just take and return the preference value for now. Don't want to do it that way. We want a working project. A project picked, and we picked this one. Obviously we have two, so we're gonna just run this again, and we're gonna see which one did it pick. Pick that one again. I'm gonna just make a quick modification. Print target value colon f random. Yes, this is spaghetti code, I know, and I'm being very bad. This is flow of thought. Target value 2. And we happen to pick a preference of 5. Oh, because that one's the first one in the list. Because these aren't sorted by preference. So I should probably actually... So... we not have that? Okay. Python. Random.shuffle. Never. Turn project 0. Oh, I know why. This is an error in my code design. It is in this function. Alright, we're spaghetti code. I am trying to sway you to the like code just. I mean, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a code cleanup. I normally do like a kind of sloppy run and then I polish my code right after. Okay, so now if we run this again and we do 4. Okay, let's run it and let's add a project. Test 3. Then we're going to give it a preference of 7. Beta. Then we'll run it. And we'll pick a project. Interesting. Run it again. We'll pick another project. And it picks test 3. Okay, so good. It does function. As expected. It's just we need a lot more data to get through things. So that makes sense. We will definitely work on that. I think we're good though at this point. We have a working product. It does save and it does load. Obviously I'll probably add a main loop and do a code cleanup. But I think this is a good place to slow her on down. So I think we're gonna go ahead and end the stream. I do hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of y'all's day. This has been Nate.